Hey guys, just got my Menlo club package for February, although it's March. It's March the 1st. I'm used to it, they're always late. So let's just get right to it, because I'm actually on my way to work, but I want to get this done. Okay. So I got two things, another jacket, and a shirt. Well, let me show you the shirt real quick. Not really my color. It's a large blue shirt. I picked the forward style. It's okay. And then I can tell this is like a track jacket. It feels real silky. I guess I could try this on real quick. So here's the jacket. Not really my color. I don't know. And here's the shirt that I got. So it's not really my style. Last month, if you watch that video, my January package was awesome. I loved it, and I wear it all the time. But this one, it's not really me. I'm not really into blue. I like this color, maroon, and then like olive or green. So anyway, here's the jacket. That's what you get, two pieces for $60. I don't know if it's worth it or not. See ya.